Welcome ladies and gentlemen in another video about my journey in building the most space-efficient non-permanent conversion kit for vans. Well, this is kind of a different video than the ones you've seen since or before on this channel. At first we're sitting in a new van, or a different van at least, but also since the last video I've posted there has been quite some time and quite a lot of stuff happened, and I want to keep you posted on this. So at first, well, we're sitting in a new van because, well, the other van is my ex-girlfriend's van, so we broke up. This means I can't go on working with her van, so, well, luckily I got a chance to get my own van. That's the one we're sitting in right now. It's a VW as well, but a T6.1 transporter with a long wheelbase, and I'm really excited for this one to build another conversion kit for this one. But my ex-girlfriend was kind enough, thanks to her a lot, to lend me still her van to finish this first conversion kit. So let's jump into her van. I have it here for 2 more days. So I'm quite in a hurry and continue there. So this is the van you're used to. Well, the conversion kit I've built is still in here. But there actually happened some more stuff that made me delay in the videos. Well, at first, of course, I had to process the breakup. This was a little hard and I didn't have so much motivation for this project, as this started together with her, of course, and, well, you can imagine there are a lot of memories attached to it. But also, as you already know, I finished my master thesis and, well, yes, I'm finished now. That's really nice. So I have now a lot more time to put into this project. That's awesome. But I really had to hustle over the last few weeks to get my master's thesis finished as well, because of course this got, well, disturbed a lot by the breakup as well. Over the last 2 months I actually recorded 2 videos and I also started cutting them. But well, I was so unmotivated and so not excited about, well, making or working on this project that these videos really sucked, so I scrapped them. And, well, maybe I show you some little pieces of it, but you don't want to see the whole video. But still, this conversion kit is now finished, and that's really awesome. Well, the bed is finished and all the other stuff in the back. There are a few more drawers and some little details. Also something else about the kitchen, a really big game changer for the kitchen that you've already seen, but, well, a little addition to this. But these are things I will show you in the next video actually. Well, I can give you just a little sneak peek. There's the bed with some, well, additional features that are really awesome. Some features that some of you actually already asked for. But this you will see in the next video, where I will sum up all the complete build with all the important details and all the features in one compact video. I think this will be really exciting, and then, well, tomorrow evening my ex-girlfriend will pick up her car again and I'm just left with this conversion kit that I don't have a car for anymore. But anyways, this was planned from the beginning to be sold in the end, because we've already, or together with my ex-girlfriend, I have built another conversion kit by hand without CNC machining before I've done this one. So this was meant to be sold in the end anyways, and now that it is finished, you can actually buy it. So if you're interested in this kit, in the very first kit I've made with CNC machining, well, let me know. Therefore, you just need a T5.2 multivan with that's a start line, I guess, with one sliding door, short wheelbase. Then this should fit into your van just exactly like it is fitting here. So, well, I hope you understand the reasons why I didn't post for so long, but I will start from now on to post again and, well, start a new journey then with my new van and start from scratch, so you can see the whole process again if you want to. Well, thanks for watching. Good luck with your projects and see you in the next one.